just raising up the four-wheeler so I can get under it easier to do my oil change. Fair warning for anyone watching this video, there's not going to be a lot of talking except for my voiceovers. For some reason I had a terrible time trying to find the right size, but did end up finding it like 8 Allen wrenches, Allen wrenches later. Instead of just letting the bolt fall right into the oil, I for some reason tried to grab it before it reached before the oil could get to me. But the oil got to me way faster than I thought and spilled quite a little bit on the ground. But nothing a little bit of sawdust can't fix. There is many times where I will just go out of the camera shot, and that's just because I'm either looking for a funnel or tools, anything just to do, so I'm not just like walking away. I didn't have the right wrench part to take my oil filter off just with the tool, so I just grabbed a big old pair of pliers and twisted it right off.
A little messy, but I'll clean it up for you when it's all done.
I have very little space to put my oil filter on and off, so all this struggling I'm doing is just trying to do that.
It's easiest just to get them out the freaking place. And if you still have warranty on your vehicle, they if they send an oil sample in off it, just figure out what's wrong. You're gonna get your warranty is not covered because you don't use their oil.
So if you didn't catch what I was saying there, I was just trying to explain how it's easier just to buy their kits from the dealership, because if you don't and you have to send in a oil sample, and there's like a different type of oil from their oil in there, your warranty is voided if you still have a warranty on it, and they can't cover any of the stuff that's wrong with it. Most of the time right here is just me trying to or just waiting for the oil to drain out. This is a longer video for really no reason, but all I'm trying to do, this is my first time ever doing it alone. Usually I'm with someone when I do it. This is only the third time I've ever done it, but the last couple times I've done it with a person, so it did take me a little bit longer, and just not having the right tools to get-go set me back a lot.
I just got the draining process done in like 30 minutes. Honestly, that's all longer it's gonna take at a dealership. This is only my second time doing it. But that's just the draining part. All I have to do is set it down now and put the new oil in it, and I'm set to roll. And just because you don't have a forklift like I do, well, I don't have it. It's accessible from work. It's I mean, it's a little harder just depending on how high you can reach it or how high you can raise it.